This is my flyer for restaurant, and my name is Bassey the selected DB.
Okay. So tell us how you did it. Start from our French and show us how you did it. Every step.
This is what you do. Select all from top.
Yes.
Yeah, black select all. Control G. Control G. Good. So, and then shift it. Shift it one side. Yeah. So go back to paste. Go back to. Yeah. Pick up that big mark color mark for the color mark. Click on the arrow. No. Then on the right. On the right. Up. Yes, that next arrow. No, not that one. That next. Yes. Click that one. So go back.
I can use earpiece.
So do exactly. So let's see how you design the flyer. Alright, so you tell us in details how you design the flyer and all that.
First of all, I don't print on this rectangle to give us a rectangle. Then I now imported this image.
Wow. I use red. You're now being creative to use another color. Wow. Wow.
Then I went to the polygon tool and I went to the basic shapes and I used the love to draw the shape.
Holding down shift though to make it perfect shape. So control Z, shift or control and then control. Okay, so your alright.
Then I made the app.
Alright, so calm down. Your system must not be rushed. If things are not working, that means it's trying to pick up. Just calm down, okay?
Okay.
No, don't power, please. Leave it there.
And I now wrote my plates. Then I went to my plates. I put it on the board. Then I selected my fonts.
The audible is
I selected my fonts.
Okay. Wow.
And I kept it. Yeah, then I now
The font size was supposed to be 18 for that creative zone.
18 of it.
18. Go down, there's 18. Alright. Boga, you R is not there. Yeah, what do you do?
On home, then I went to my phone just to change the phone.
Alright.
And I used plus. No.
Drag is okay. I think you should decrease the size of your border font size. So make it 95.
95.
Click on the border. Make it 95. Type 95. Alright, enter. Alright. Make it 90. Because if you don't select the font before doing it. Alright, so that is the wonderful one.
Then I now brought this one down.
You have to reduce it though.
Okay,
Reduce your burger, yeah, to see the size of the burger. Is it okay?
Then I now put the color of my text.
Okay. Wow. A touch of creativity. Wow. Wow. I love your font size. Alright, so your font is supposed to be 14. The font for that design by
Then this one I used Century Gold. Century Gold. After without. And I use Century Gothic.
okay. Use 14, go to your font size 7. Wow. Wow. And then everybody put your hands together. Alright, so the second one, do you have the second one? Let's see the second one. Alright, so I think you are